The We Are Memory Keeper's magnetic twist trimmer lets you add a nice touch to your creative projects by cutting beautiful decorative edges for paper and cardstock. It comes with 8 different blades that cut 8 different patterns and styles. Use the straight, decal, wavy, stamp, scallop, pinking, scoring, and perforating blades to get unique edges for any side of your project. The scoring blade will help you get a nice fold without cracking your paper, while the perforating blade creates a convenient tear-off for things like RSVPs, cards, and other fun print projects. When you have your blade picked out, just slide it on the ruler, which has 2 magnetic strips to keep things firmly in place. Although it works with any self-healing mat, the twist trimmer works best with the We Are Memory Keeper's cutting mat. The blade is naturally closed for safety measures, so just twist to open it and slide it along to make your cut. It cuts in either direction, so you can keep cutting back and forth to save time. When you're finished using the Anywhere trimmer, all the blades conveniently attach to the ruler to make storing it away simple and easy.